How to log in Shopee account on Shopee app. So you can easily install this Shopee application in your App Store or your Play Store. Simply go ahead and tap on Install to install this application in your mobile device. If you already have it installed and if there is an update bubble, simply make sure to tap on this update bubble and leave your application for an update. Moving on with the video, let's go ahead and open our Shopee application. When you enter the Shopee application, you will find interface like this. So what you have to do is you have to tap on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. At the top, you will see the option of login or sign up. If you are new to your Shopee, go ahead and tap on sign up. If not, tap on the login bubble at the very top. Then you will land in this interface. You can log into your Shopee using your Google, Facebook and Apple. You can simply go ahead and tap on these options. Now if you want to do it manually, at the very top you will see the phone number option. For that, enter your phone number. Once you have entered your phone number, it will send you a OTP code which you have to copy and paste in a dialog box. Once you are verified, you have to go ahead and add your information detail in a form. Then you will be easily able to log in to your Shopee application. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.